Hey everybody, I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm here to talk to you today about doTERRA's BOGO. And our BOGO today is amazing. I totally love both of these oils. You buy an On Guard and you get a Slim and Sassy for free. And I use these oils all the time. I really love the On Guard. Okay, On Guard is a blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary, and it is an amazing protectant. And I actually have a little story for you guys about this. I have cats, and I have 4 cats actually. They're rescues, and I'm doing an experiment with vitamin C with cats. But one of my kitties snuck out and was out all night in the freezing, like below freezing week we had a few weeks ago. He was out for like a night and a whole day. And when he came back, he had a kitty cold and he was like coughing and sneezing everywhere. And he ended up giving it to all of my other cats. It was terrible. But I was able to get rid of it by I diffused On Guard, and along with some Breathe in my diffuser, very weak, just like a drop of each in the diffuser. But the On Guard went into the air and took care of all the bacteria and virus and everything that the kitties were sneezing around, and now my kitties are all totally fine. It's an amazing solution for if anyone in your house is sick. It works great. You'll love it. And it smells really good too. I think it smells like Christmas. So the next oil is Slim and Sassy, and this is doTERRA's metabolic blend, and it is totally amazing. It has grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon, and it'll really get you going. It smells really good in the diffuser too. You can, with both of these oils are safe for internal use, so you can make a tea with them, you can put them in a smoothie, whatever you like the taste of any of these oils in, and you can apply them topically, and they're great in the diffuser. So those are our 2 BOGOs. Don't miss out on this. I'm getting a few of these, probably as many as possible. And I do have something else to talk to you guys about today. We're gonna do a little work with emotions and oils, and essential oils are like the quickest and easiest way to get a grip on your emotions. doTERRA has an emotions kit that is blended with oils that will put you in a particular mood, and that's awesome. But one of my favorite oils for emotions is in your 10 oil starter kit, and that's lavender. Lavender is everything soothing, everything calm, and it's safe for you, your kids, and your pets. It's even safe for cats. Diluted. You can use like 1 drop in the palm of your hands, rub your hands together, and then pet your cat with it. But it's totally safe for everybody, and it's great for emotions. So how oils and emotions work. So your sense of smell is tied directly into your limbic system. Your limbic system is controlled by glands at the base of your spine, at the base of your brain. And what happens is when you smell, the scent triggers nerve endings to release chemicals. And that limbic system is where all your emotions are stored, and your fight and flight, those responses are, and your fight or flight responses are what produce cortisol in your body, which is bad hormones. That's why if you're stressed, you get sick. But anyways, what you can do is you can, when you inhale an oil, it goes straight in and affects your limbic system. So a cool trick you can do with lavender, and it works on you, your kids, your pets, is you can use lavender as what we call an anchor. And what an anchor is it's something that when you experience it again, it takes you back to the feelings in your body of when it originally happened. So to use lavender as an anchor for maybe a dog that has separation anxiety, what you would want to do is put a drop of lavender in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, and then when you're relaxing with your dog, watching TV or anything that you guys like to do, pet your dog with the lavender. Do it over and over and over again. And eventually what will happen is the lavender will become an anchor for your dog for good feelings. So what you can do then when you go to leave the house, put the diffuser on, put some lavender in there, and the lavender initiates the anchor and the good feelings, and your dog will experience less anxiety. It's also a great thing to do with kids. If your kids are anxious about going to school or scared to do something, or maybe in a play and they're really nervous, do the same thing with your kid. With kids, you get a little more mental with it. So what you would want to do with your child is have them sniff the lavender, and then have your child close their eyes and talk to them, and have them imagine like the best case scenario of the situation that's about to occur. Like, so little Lucy's in the play, and so you have her close your eyes and you say, Lucy, you're in the play, you're the star, everybody loves you, they're clapping, it's awesome. And have her be there, have her smell the lavender, have her hear the applause, have her feel the feeling inside, anything with all the senses. And that will anchor that lavender for her. And then just make sure she wears lavender to the play, and she'll feel like she was already a success. So that's how you do that. You can use it on yourself to get into a meditative state, smell the lavender, visualize what best case scenario, what you want to happen, and the lavender will be the anchor. And hope that wasn't too much, but that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to get your BOGOs. You'll miss out if you, I missed out. I didn't order the On Guard last month, and I used it all up and ran out this month, or last BOGO, and I used it up and ran out on my kitties. So make sure to get your BOGOs, and hope you enjoyed the information. Have a great day. Oh, I almost forgot. Peppermint beadlets. We do have a winner for peppermint beadlets, and that is Mary Lee. So Mary, just let me know how you want me to get you your beadlets, and you'll love these. I love these too. Have a great day, everyone.